Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching me from. I want to use this opportunity to thank each and every one of you for always coming back to watch my amazing videos. I strongly believe that ignorance is the reason why majority of you are becoming victims of medical conditions. So I created this channel to help you learn about healthy living tips and also learn the health benefits of the herbs so that we can use this knowledge to prevent and also treat medical conditions. If it interests you to join this amazing family where we can build a society of healthy people, then subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so that anytime I upload a video you'll be notified to watch. Whilst watching, like the videos and share the videos to all your family and friends. I want to use this platform to tell you to put a stop to the use of carbonated or soft drinks. Do you know you can replace these soft drinks or carbonated drinks with your own homemade fruit juices? Yes, you can do that if only you prioritize doing it. Studies have revealed that these carbonated drinks are loaded with so much sugar and calories. So drinking it makes you to become victims of medical conditions such as cardiovascular diseases, kidney-related infections, diabetes, and other forms of medical disorders. That is why I am entreating you to put a stop to its use. Anytime you think of drinking these carbonated or soft drinks, think to prepare your own drink at home. It is worth it. Studies conducted and published on the website of Coca-Cola indicated the amount of sugar that Coke is loaded with, and I'm going to read it. There are 39 grams of sugar in a 12-ounce Coca-Cola can. Our smaller portion sizes, like our 7.5-ounce mini soda can, have less sugar and fewer calories. Coca-Cola comes in several sizes. Availability varies based on geography. 7.5-ounce contains 25 grams of sugar and 90 calories. 8-ounce contains 26 grams of sugar and 100 calories. 8.5-ounce contains 28 grams of sugar and 100 calories. 12-ounce contains 39 grams of sugar and 140 calories. 16-ounce contains 52 grams of sugar and 190 calories. 20-ounce contains 65 grams of sugar and 240 calories. This is too much. So if you continue drinking this, if you are addicted to any of these soft drinks and energy drinks, my brother, my sister, you are killing yourself gradually. You are exposing your body to a lot of medical conditions. If it doesn't affect you today, it will affect you in the near future. So put a stop to it so that we can use fruits to prepare juices to drink. In today's video, I'll be taking you through how to use the hibiscus flower to prepare hibiscus juice for yourself and the whole family. In Ghana, it is popularly called SOBOLO Juice. So join me and watch this video to the end. So the main ingredient that I'll be using is the hibiscus flower. This flower is loaded with lots of health benefits. It is good for the treatment of high blood pressure, diabetes. It is a water pill, which means it can be used to treat water retention problems. It is also good for weight loss. What you are going to do is you are going to wash this flower twice to get rid of dirt. I've already done my washing. So I'm going to transfer it into my cooking pot. Alright, so in this pot I'm having the hibiscus flower, grated garlic, sliced pineapple. I also have cloves, and then I have also added lemon grass. All these things in the pot are very good for your health. Now I'm going to add water to it, and the quantity of water I'm adding will depend on the amount of hibiscus flower or the quantity you want to make. So you add water to the whole ingredients and boil it for at least 20 minutes. Alright, so as you can see, I'm still on the process of preparing the hibiscus juice or the SOBOLO juice. After boiling for about 20 minutes, my SOBOLO or hibiscus juice is ready now. So you turn off the heat and allow it to cool. So I'm going to allow it to cool before I strain it. After cooling, I'm going to strain it. So just watch it. Take your time. And you use the wooden spatula to squeeze the juice. Alright, so in this container I have my SOBOLO juice or the hibiscus juice. It's very simple and easy to prepare. So what I'm going to do now is I will be refrigerating it, and anytime I feel like drinking it, I'll fetch some and add honey to it and drink. It's so refreshing. So prepare this for yourself and your family, and always use it as a replacement for the carbonated drinks or the soft drinks. Thank you so much for watching this amazing video. This is Good Health, Good Life. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notification button so that anytime there is a new video, you'll be notified to watch. Like the video and share with your family and friends. The aim is to create awareness about healthy living. So let us all join hands and build a society of healthy people. Until I see you in my next episode, be mindful of what you eat, engage in physical exercise, and also try and visit the hospital on a regular basis to know your health status. Peace.